Okay, hello YouTube. I've decided to do a fire alarm video today because I've added so much more since the last collection video. I just kind of want to share stuff with you. So, well, anyway, let me tell you what happened today. I saw a guy from Arc Systems when I went to Trader Joe's today. And Arc Systems basically does fire alarms and security systems. So I asked, hey, do you think I can get a Cat 45 key? And he gave me one, so yeah, lucky for that. So I finally got a Cat 45 key. Don't have anything to use it with yet, but oh well. Recently got this switch plate, which is gonna replace my current plane. Well, it's not plane. My current light switch. If you don't follow me, if you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. So I got this. My Edwards Integrity. Same old. His nickname's Tag. Here's Panic Button. Let me get my keys. Key reset. Put this in here. Turn it. Sorry, I can't quite do this on camera for some reason. Hold on, sorry guys. Damn. Oh, there it goes. Anyway, wow. This is usually really easy to reset if you have two hands. By the way, Panic Button came new in box. Anyway. Here's Integrity's box. This was my first alarm ever. Crappily wired. I've learned to wire better since. But anyway, here's my mass. Here's my CH70 chime strobe. Now I'm doing a trade with one of my friends. A BG12 for her unknown 1975 pull. It's my first pull station ever, so it's going to be a little bit of a tough one, but I can always get another one. My Wheelock NS from taking money out of the NS and paying for it. Yes, it's that NS. Here is something you guys haven't seen before. Take a guess at what it is. Just write in the comment section below what it is. What do you think it is? I'm going to give you a hint. Only one other YouTuber has one, and he has it in red. Just going to give you that. And I have 3 of them in white. Yeah. This is my wired one. Yeah. Oh, can't show you the model number. But it is Wheelock, I will give you that. Yeah. Here's my 3rd. No, I'm not trading or selling those. Well, yeah. My Gentex photoelectric smoke alarm. Yeah, same old. Sorry, I have a whole bunch of crap in my fire alarm bin right now. Here's my Edwards mini horn. Here's this one. Can't think of model number off the top of my head. Sorry, guys. Oh, it's already pulled. Okay. This is from Montreal, Canada. This is my 7002T. My NBG10. Not gonna pull it right now, sorry guys. It's the addressable one. Faraday remote strobe, or Siemens, whatever you'd like to call it. But yeah. My Radio Shack piezo siren, 120 decibels. Ugh, really loud. The smoke detector cover. This is actually my friend's smoke detector. He got a new one. And this is the same one as the one that I have here, so. But his doesn't have the continuous horn. So he had a newer model than I did. But That's that. Here's my UMMT. Actually, it's the Faraday version, so it's the 2884-E. Here's my lollipop smoke detector, as I call it. This came directly out of our library ceiling. Don't have a model number for it. Running out of places to put my stuff. My Simplex 2099. My wire cutters. Not really a fire alarm, but they help. Random bits and pieces of that Fenwal smoke detector. Well, a Fenwal smoke detector. Here's the other pieces of one. Here's my notifier bell. We're getting into the bottom of my bin. Fire axe. Yeah. ThyssenKrupp Safety Ambassadors stuff. Yep. My Fire Sentry smoke alarm. Yeah. I'm sad. Oh. I killed one of my LEDs by overpowering it by accident, but oh well. Put them back in the bag. Sorry guys, I'm putting you down. You put them back in the bag so I don't lose them or break any more of them. Anyway, Radio Shack, it there. They're 2.4 volts max, and I powered it with a 6-volt battery. Well, they work with a 6-volt battery, and they're fine. When you power it with 2, you kill them. Random wire on the bottom. Back of my UMMT. Made BRG1 out of the library. If you notice, it doesn't have red lettering. That's orange. Neon orange. Now this I got from Mark, which is my birth father, seeing as I'm adopted. Can't quite get it to work, but I mean it works, but then again it doesn't. It's a nice 12-inch bell. Oh, it's upside down. Sorry, guys. Ow. This bell kind of hurts. It's a 12-volt bell. Anyway, put this guy back in his box, because he stays in there. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna... Oh. This guy no longer works, sadly. If anyone wants him, contact me. He kind of works, but not really. Anyway, it's my collection. Don't forget to take a guess at what these are. Now, for you guys on my Instagram, don't guess. I know you guys know, because I've been posting all about them, so... Anyway... Sitting here in a pile of fire alarms. Gotta clean them up now.